No cardinal doctrine of Christianity rests on one disputed verse in Scripture. Not one. There is no important doctrinal verse, thought, account that hinges upon one of those mistakes. Not one. And that is across the board. Scholars will agree across the board that there's nothing that changes because of any of those minor variations. The deity of Christ, resurrection, Trinity, justification by faith, the birth, what we call I call it the DBR, the birth, and then the death, burial, and resurrection, the DBR, the authority of all of it across all time. There's not one doctrinal issue that is affected or implanted because of one of those mistakes. That's important to know.